Back in the room. Welcome back, Madventurers. I know we said we weren't going to do another one of these, were we? Where is he? He's not come back with me, guys. For a very good reason. It's for you guys at home to decide whether Davey Bones comes back in the action or not. Hey, Davey. Have you heard him? Have you heard him? Have you heard him, Dave? He's repeating himself. I'm sure we said this the other week, didn't we? We definitely said this the other week, didn't we? We said this the other week, didn't we, guys? Didn't we say this the other week, guys? We definitely said it. I think we better stop him now, aren't we? Hey, stop repeating yourself. We don't need to hear it twice. Do you find him scary? I know he can be quite a scary character. He spooks me in the middle of the night when I wake up. So I can understand where you're coming from. It's a bit like clowns as well. Some people like clowns, some people don't. Thinking about that, yeah, I am a bit of a clown. But you're still watching, aren't you? Let me know in the comments below. Do you want to see more of Davey Bones in future vlogs or not? If not, I can try and change things up and do things a bit differently. But don't worry too much. He's not getting sacked or anything. He's got his own little things going on in the background, so don't worry, he'll keep himself out of mischief, or maybe not. As we left it last time, the catch up is I left Lowestoft and I said goodbye to you all. I said I weren't going to do any more. I've come back to give you an update. As we all know, lockdowns happened recently. Last time I did a vlog as well, I became ill, and that's finished my summer off last summer. I've never been tested for COVID, so I can't say if it was that. I'm not going to say it's that, but I just know I'm really ill. Bring out the violins. Hey, we don't want to hear your sob story. Quit it. Move on. There were some unfortunate events as well which followed that, but I'll go into that at a later date. It were a bit embarrassing. A few schoolboy errors. It was just one of them things. When you want to get home, you want to get home, and you just do anything, and it landed me in a bit of trouble. It knocked me confidence as well for a while. Plus, like I say, I wasn't so good anyhow. March time, I pulled the boat out in March time to fix her up and plan to get her back in the water, which unfortunately lockdown happened. But just as it happened, me and my dad ended up working together on the boat, and we ended up dismasting it. And that's the first time for me and my dad coming down working together on the boat, because my family used to live the furthest point in Scotland, as far north as you can get. We all used to see each other like once, twice a year. But now they've come back to England. Yay! So yeah, we'll show you that video. That'll be my next video to show you guys. So there was that, and also my 40th birthday happened towards the end of March. And since lockdown, I've spent it mainly on my own. Yeah, I live on my own. So I've been away from family, friends, and all that lot. So it's not bothered me. It's one of them. I like socialising, but I can also take it or leave it at the same time. I can be a bit of a misery guts now and again, but we all have those moments where we want our own time apart from people. So yeah, you miss family and friends, but it's not the end of the world, because I knew eventually we'd all see each other. So you've got to stay positive, guys. You will get to meet up with people even though you don't see them for a while. So going forward, I'll probably do less videos, because it's not my job. I don't get paid to do YouTube, so it's just a bit of fun on the side, really. So we will see more videos. The plan was to do a video this weekend, give her a bit of a shakedown. Can't wait. I've missed it, really have. It's one I'm now going forward. I want to learn a bit more, because I've concentrated too much on you guys. But sorry, I don't mean it in an horrible way. I just mean I need to concentrate a bit more on what I'm doing rather than making silly mistakes. So that's that going forward. You can enjoy as well. I did my 40th birthday with it being in lockdown. I celebrated my 40th birthday with Davey Bones, and if you look through the list, you see my 40th birthday. It was good fun. It made up for going pub, I suppose. So there's that to watch if you've not seen that. What else can I tell you? My head's gone now. I'll try and chuck too much information at you. I'm trying to remember where I'm up to. Right, so I'll go and come back to you in a second. Back in the room, I've just caught myself up. I was nearly repeating myself there. So one of the questions you may ask,